This is Tecno Spark Go, and today I will show how you can bypass parental controls on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings. Then you're going to enter the Google category. Onwards, tap at the Manage Your Google Account button right below the Google account itself. Then once the Google Account Management Center gets loaded, tap at the Get Started button. Onwards, enter the Data and Privacy section, scroll it all the way down and go for the Delete Your Google Account option. Now, in order to continue, I will need to input my password or the Google account password. So let me quickly verify my identity off the screen. And then, once you've been forwarded to the following Delete Your Google Account page, just finish the account erasal. So once the Google account gets successfully deleted, that already means that the parental controls were taken care of. Well, there shouldn't be any, but in some phones and sometimes it takes a few minutes for the system to acknowledge that and to synchronize everything properly. So I'm refreshing this page to witness the disappearance of Google account, but it does not happen. As I've already mentioned, some phones execute this process slower than others, and there might be a delay between you actually doing everything that is required and the system acknowledging that properly. But as you can see, the Google account disappeared from here, and so did the parental controls. So now, once the parental controls are taken care of, I will quickly show how you can restore the Google account, which you can very simply do by signing into the Play Store with it. So let me quickly show you. Or you can log into any Google app. Ultimately, it doesn't matter which app you'll go for, as long as it requires the Google sign-in, you are in the clear. So you gotta obviously start with inputting your email address. Then you should see this message. So follow this message by hitting the next button and entering your account password. And more often than not, you'll see the something went wrong message. That is completely normal, so do not be freaked out. Just re-enter the credentials once again, and the second time through you will be able to proceed with the login. Thus, account recovery. So as you can see, I can now continue the sign-in. So you can already tell that the account is recovered, restored, whatever, and you can just use it normally. And also it is, I think, obvious, but I figured I'll still mention the fact that the parental controls, they do not resume, they do not get back to your phone, so you can just use this account or use any other account. It's up to you. Anyway, that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.